when you look at this, you can see that all the vertical faces have the chicken wire and then the 2-inch chairs and holding the lath back. And this allows us to get our cement through the chicken wire, hit the lath, and build out past our rebar, so we've got total encapsulation of our steel schedule. That's very important, and it's nice because we don't get a lot of fallout. So a lot of these shapes will continue down into the pool, but obviously these areas need to be waterproofed, and that's something we'll get to later on in the DVD. I do want to show you guys in the cave here. Now back in here, I laid a layer of dirt down on the ground because I don't want this structure mud to stick to our foundation. But we've got the interior of the cave shot. We've shot some mud up the walls and into the ceiling to give it support. The reason for a 2-truck shoot today is because we want the mud to dry a little bit and give us support before we do the next truck. So when we're working with Shotcret, we work in lifts. So basically we're going a couple of feet high, let it dry, and then we'll go a couple of feet higher. So you can see the rocks are starting to take a good shape now. The guys are massaging the mud in, getting all the shapes really nice. The backing is holding the mud securely in place without a lot of fallout, and that's going to save us money. I don't want to spend you know, a lot of money with guys cleaning stuff up when they can be doing sculpture and shaping and things like that, which is critical for the look and feel we're trying to get on this job. You can see the big deep cracks in between the rock. This is going to give us a lot of good drama and tell the story that these are all individual boulders that have kind of fallen and accumulated around this pool, creating this nice look. The importance of shotcrete is critical on any rockwork project, but more importantly than the material is the safe use of it. So I want to stress to you guys the importance of safety glasses and gloves and things like that, because the design mix has chemicals in it that can be harmful to sensitive skin. And without safety glasses, it's easy to get a pebble in the eye that can really hurt you and put you out of work for weeks, months. So always remember to keep your glasses on, use your gloves, and always have help, because the nozzle is heavy. The 2-inch line that we're pumping through, when it's got mud in it, is heavy. So you'll notice there's a lot of hands around here and we're all working together. It's a very concerted effort, and I wish you the best when you do it, and I hope all these little tips and tricks will help you be productive and make money on your next project.